Healthier Together, sponsored by Regents Blue Cross Blue Shield of Oregon.
Hero Kids is an innovative program. In fact, it's the first in the country.
A first-of-its-kind program in Oregon aims to get kids proper care in an emergency. In today's Healthier Together, we're talking about a voluntary, no-cost system that lets any family in the state record critical information about their child's health before an emergency happens. It's called the Hero Kids Registry. Hero meaning Health Emergency Ready Oregon. First responders have to make split-second decisions with limited information about their patient's health history. This new program helps fill the gap before kids make it to the hospital.
We have a lot of kids that we take care of who have really complex medical issues where having a heads up beforehand can help them prepare.
OHSU pediatrician Dr. Ben Hoffman and his team helped make this registry a reality here in Oregon.
It's one of those things that when we first thought about it, it was, how come we haven't thought about this before?
Kids can't always share necessary health information. Family members aren't always there. They might be too distressed in the moment. There could be a language barrier or a specific healthcare need. 1 in 5 children in Oregon has a special healthcare need, including physical, mental, emotional, and developmental conditions. 23% of Oregon families who have a child with an intellectual or developmental disability said they did not feel prepared to handle their child's needs in an emergency.
There are a lot of children out there living with autism or behavioral health needs that can be triggered by people in authority or by people in a uniform, loud noises like the sirens. And so having information about what could trigger that child, how potentially they could help calm the child, what level of understanding and language communication skills might be necessary, can really help those first responders attend to the child or the young adult in exactly the right way.
It's a completely voluntary registry, and the information is stored on a secure database. The first focus is to get kids from birth to 26 signed up who are medically complex or who have developmental disabilities or mental or behavioral conditions.
Kids, especially those who have, who may be traumatized by previous experiences, children who may have developmental or behavioral needs, to be able to treat them not only in the medically appropriate way, but in ways that will meet their needs and help keep them more comfortable and make it less terrifying is especially important.
We'll have a link to the registry at kgw.com/healthiertogether. And tune in every week for news you can use to better your health with Healthier Together.